I just unboxed the Tecno Camon 50 Pro, and I'll link the unboxing video down below, and also the card to the unboxing video will be floating here right about now. So now what we're going to do is set it up for the first time, but before we can do that, we first have to turn it on. So locate the power button. It's right here on the right side of the device. So long press and hold. There you go. You'll see the Tecno logo, and wait for the device to boot. So give it a few seconds to boot up to the setup screen, and we shall be receiving the setup screen right about. There you go, Tecno AI. There you go. There's the setup screen. Hello message, standard, pretty. Now this is the setup screen. It's in Chinese or whatever language that is. So first thing to do is tap this to select your language, because clearly we don't understand Chinese, and I'm going to select English. So tap on English to proceed. Then select your region. Yeah, you can keep it at China if you want, but for me, I'll select my region. Then you'll be asked to read the terms of use, so tap on that. You can read the terms of use and the privacy policy before doing anything else. So select I have read and agreed to the terms above. So tap on that, then tap on OK. Now you're going to be presented with a quick start guide. Tap on that. Then you'll be asked whether you want to set up with another device. This is whether you want to transfer data from an Android device or an iPhone or an iPad. But if you simply want to set it up afresh as a new phone, you can tap on skip. You'll be asked to insert your SIM card, so you can say pick later to do it later, then proceed with the setup. Then now you'll be asked to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So you'll need this in setting up your device. So connect to your Wi-Fi, select your Wi-Fi network to connect to it, and enter your password. Once you enter your password, tap on connect, and it's going to connect to your Wi-Fi network successfully. And then now you are going to be asked to confirm or tap on Google services to proceed. Give it a few moments to scan and set up. There you go. So at this point, you'll be asked to sign in with your email, the email that you want to use on this phone. But you can tap on skip to do this later. So tap on skip for me. Tap on skip again. You'll also be asked to set up an unlock method, that is a fingerprint, face unlock, or password. You can also skip this to do it later. Then you look at all the Google services you might want to give permissions or access to. You have the location, allow scanning. You can select to toggle on or off whatever option that you may want to do. You can always change these later in the settings. So do all that and tap on accept to proceed. Getting your phone ready, so be patient. So tap on recommended services to proceed. Now here you'll be asked to toggle on or off all these services, that the enable all services, or you can toggle this off to toggle them all off, or toggle this on and select the custom options that you may want. So for me, I'll just keep it as toggled off and tap on OK. So you'll be asked to want to give logging in with Tecno ID a try. It's totally up to you. So I'll say no, because I'm pretty sure we'll do it later. You'll be asked if you want to set up from an old phone. So say no thanks, because we're setting this up afresh. So select no thanks. And then now you'll be asked to choose whether you want to use gestures or buttons. So for me, I'll just select gestures and continue. And now you'll be taken through a tutorial of sorts. So go through the tutorial, see what you're being asked to do, or see how to use the phone. You can replay it or tap on skip to proceed. So I'll tap on skip. Yep, we're ready. That's why we're here. Tap on this arrow. And now that's your Tecno Camon 15 Pro all set up. Now you can start using it, setting up all the various things that you want to do, your wallpapers, sign into all your accounts, and do the various things you might want to do. So stay tuned for more videos on how I'll be setting up this phone, adding even more features to it. But that's it for the first time setup. Take care and God bless.